The last recruitment which took place in the state of Rajasthan, over 60% of the new recruits were women in the state of Rajasthan. I found that there is a generational shift which is going on in the judiciary. There's a demographic shift which is going on in the district judiciary. When I was Chief Justice of the Allahabad High Court, if you spoke to a very senior district judge, every second sentence they would look at you and say, "Hanji sir." The younger lot of judges would be talking to you on a footing of equality, because that shows where India is going. The young are educated, they are bright, they have aspirations, they have a sense of self-worth, they are confident about themselves. And that's the same about our young lawyers as well. So I think when we deal with our lawyers, and that's something which I try and do in my own courtroom, I try and deal with lawyers on a footing of equality, encourage them. Sometimes we appear to be harsh by not granting an adjournment, but we do that in order to enable a young lawyer to argue a case. Sometimes we make sure that the seniors sit next to the young lawyers. So all in all, I really begin by telling you that I'm not here to do miracles. I know that the challenges are high, perhaps the expectations are also great. I'm deeply grateful to you for your sense of faith. But I'm not here to do miracles, but I believe that my motto every day is that if this were to be the last day of my life, have I left the world a better place? This is what I ask myself every day. There's a brilliant book by a Stanford professor, and he says, well, you can never change the hand that you are dealt with by destiny, the hand in the hand of cards, a game of rummy or bridge. You cannot change the way the hand is dealt to you, but you can certainly change the way you play the hand.